What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hannah. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I figured I would do a sit-down video on my top tips to sell clothes on Poshmark. Not gonna lie to you, I'm pretty good at it. I feel like I just know how to basically brand and market my Poshmark shop so that people want to buy my things. And these tips are something that I wish I had known before starting my Poshmark account, because I had started it and then wasn't selling anything and then stopped trying to sell things for a while there, and then went back to it and kind of figured out how to go about it along the way, where I wish I had just had a quick video on literally the top 7 tips, or I think I have 7 tips here, top 7 tips on how to sell my clothes. So I hope that this video helps you, because I feel like it would have helped me. And I'm going to make this intro very short, so without further ado, I will get into the video. If you see me looking down, it's because I have my iPad in front of me I wrote down all my notes and like key points that I wanted to do. So for the first tip that I have, it's take good pictures of the clothes. And I know this sounds so dumb and you're probably like, duh, but the number of times I've scrolled through Poshmark and the pictures are like thrown onto a floor, thrown onto a bed with really dark lighting, and it's so unappealing, is actually insane. You want to make sure that you have natural lighting. So I typically take the pictures in this room, literally in this spot on my bed, because I have a white bedspread. I open up all my windows, I turn the light off, because the overhead light off, because the overhead light is like pretty harsh. Just make sure the lighting is good, make sure that the clothes reflect great on my bed, or even when I'm taking it in the mirror. My second tip for taking good pictures of the clothes, there's like part 1 and part 2. The background should be clean. So whether that is like a white background, like a bedspread or a sheet, or even like a door if you're hanging it up, make sure the background is white or just clean. It's a neutral color so that people can really see the clothes. If you're taking it in a mirror, make sure that the background is clean, like there's not clothes everywhere, there's not shoes all over the ground, there's not dirt on the floor. Like, make sure that the people, like, the first thing that their eyes go to is your clothes rather than your messy room or your messy hallway or wherever you're taking the picture. Second tip is take pictures in the clothes. And I know this is like probably really annoying, being like, why would I have to put on clothes to take pictures of it then sell them? But people like to see what the product is going to look like on before they buy it. Clothes look a lot different on than they do laying down or on the hanger. I think we can all vouch for that. 9 times out of 10, like when you go to an online store like Forever 21, Aritzia, literally any clothing store ever, they have models trying on the clothes and they're not on a hanger, or if they are on a hanger, it's like on a hanger but there's also models trying on the clothes, because people like to see what it's going to look like on. They don't want to just like see a picture of a shirt on a bed and then be like, yeah, that's going to look good on me, because no, you don't actually know if that's going to look good. You have to think about like what's appealing to the eye and what you personally look for when you shop, and then reflect that back to your own Poshmark store. Third piece of advice I have is the quality of the clothing. This should go without saying, but make sure your clothes don't look dirty or really raggedy when you try to sell them. Make sure they're clothes that you would want to buy. Like, if it's a white shirt and it has stains all over it, or if it's a white shirt and it has like a faded color or it's now cream, don't try to sell it. And if you do want to sell it because you want to have like some sort of like thrift shop, make sure you're selling it at a lower price, and you're putting in the description like what the product actually is. So if it has a hole by the shoulder, in the description be like, this product was used, there's a hole in the shoulder, show a picture of that hole or show a picture of that stain, whatever it may be, so that the product is as accurate as possible for the people. Fourth tip, title. How you title your clothes is so important. So create a title that's appealing to shoppers but is short and sweet. Don't make it obnoxious, like bright green Nike running shoes, like whatever. That was like a really poor example. Highlight the keywords. So if it is a really popular brand, you're going to want that to be the first word in your title. So if you're selling a Lululemon sports bra, you don't want the title just to be gray sports bra. It should be Lululemon gray sports bra, or Lululemon sports bra, or Lululemon whatever the title of the sports bra is, then sports bra. Highlight the keywords. Or if it's Brandy Melville. Brandy Melville is a super popular brand too. Don't just be like white t-shirt, be like Brandy Melville white t-shirt, or Aritzia white t-shirt, or Frankie's bikinis, so on and so forth. Like, you get the point. But just make sure that you're coming up with a good title that's short, sweet, highlights the keywords and is like appealing to the eye. Tip number 5 is the description of the item. This is so important, and I think that the reason that I sell a lot of my clothes is because I put a lot of effort into the description of what I'm selling. So make sure your description is accurate and gives as much detail about the product as possible. Things that you should include would be the actual size versus what it fits like. So first of all, if it was like a size small shirt but it fit like a medium or large, I'd be like size small dash fits more like a medium or large, so that people can get an accurate description of what it's going to fit like on their body. Second would be, is it brand new? Is it gently worn? Is it like new? Make sure that you list the condition. So if it's like new and it literally is like flawless, put like new. Is it gently worn? So it kind of has some worn to it, but it's still in good condition, put gently worn. Is it brand new, like literally has the tags on it, or it's never been worn but it's missing the tags? Make sure you state that as well. Any other descriptions that may help the user, like what color it looks like, where they might be able to wear this product on an occasion. So sometimes I sell my old formal or date night dresses from college, so when I post those, I'll be like perfect for a college date night, or perfect for a formal event, or perfect for, you know what I mean, so on and so forth. So like anything that you would want to read or you would want to know, list. I know that users can go back and like literally ask questions about the product, but make sure they like want to be able to see everything right there when they first open up, and they don't want to have to go in and ask for it, because not everyone likes to ask questions, you know? Number 6 is the price. Make sure your price is fair. Don't go thinking you're going to make as much as you originally paid for it. So if you bought $100 leggings from Lululemon, unless they literally still have the tag, like, and not even, even if they still have the tag on them, you're not going to get back what you paid for them, because shipping on Poshmark is expensive. So if you list your item at $100 and you don't discount whatsoever, that person's going to pay $107, and that's $7 more than what you paid for it. Go in knowing that you're probably only going to make back a max of like 75% of what you paid for it. So if you bought Lululemon leggings for $100, go in, they still have the tag on it, go in thinking, okay, I'm probably only going to get 75 back for these, because that's just, it's not realistic to think that you're going to make more or what you originally paid for it. That's not realistic at all, and that's not what Poshmark is about. Poshmark is going in and selling your used clothes at a fair price. No one goes into Poshmark really thinking, I'm going to pay a higher price than what is actually in store, or I want to pay a similar price to what's in store. I think the whole point is kind of that the clothes are discounted and they're in good condition, and find hidden gems. Number 7, and finally, this is the last tip that I have for you. Be willing to bargain. Offer deals to users who like your clothes, or be willing to price drop. Don't go in thinking, okay, I'm going to list this for $75 and I'm not going to take anything less than that. Start at a high price and then bargain lower. So like, for example, I've listed things for like $35, but if someone likes it, I've gone in and I've offered them a price of like $30 plus discounted shipping. And even though I originally listed at $35, and yeah, it would be great to get those $35 or whatever, I knew that I would go in, I was gonna sell lower than what I had put on the price tag. So you really have to be willing to bargain. You can't really be stubborn, or else no one's gonna want to buy your clothes, and that sucks, because then you're not gonna sell anything. But yeah, that's all of the tips that I have for you guys. I know I talked really fast, so if you have to go back and watch the video again, I apologize in advance, but I just wanted to get this out there for you in a quick little video. I didn't want it to be super long, but these are just 7 tips that I wish I had known before. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments so I can answer, or if you want any other tips, let me know, reach out to me. All my socials are linked down below. You can Insta DM me, or you can comment down below on this video. Make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.